Hi, and thanks once again for visiting with me. I'd like to share with you today another reason why I think this election is important. Now, there are a number of races that are going to be decided on November the 6th, and Chancery Court Judge is just one of them. But I certainly don't want to diminish in any fashion the importance of selecting through the voting process your Chancery Court Judge for this three-county district. You know, judges are powerful people. They have a lot of authority. Chancery Court judges in particular, in my view, because they make decisions the overwhelming majority of the time by themselves. They don't have juries, except in some very narrow cases that get tried very infrequently. And they therefore have a lot of discretion to determine what the facts are. Chancery Court judges can release you from jail, and they can put you in jail. They can take your children away from you. They can give you visitation rights. They can give you custody. They can take those rights away. They can take your property away. They can award you property, and they can assess you with money that you have to pay for a long, long time. Those are very serious undertakings that a judge must handle on a daily basis. And statistics show us that if you're going to have some contact with the legal system other than through a traffic ticket, the highest degree of likelihood is that it's going to be with the Chancery Court. And if it's not you, then it's liable to be your child, or your family member, or your neighbor, or your friend, or your employer, or your employee. So it's very important when you make these decisions to be able to trust in the judge that you've elected. I've got a resume that's available to everybody watching, and as I've said before, I think that I have the most qualifications of anybody in this race. And I've served 23 plus years already as a judge. I think if you haven't made up your mind, you will very shortly when you compare all of the candidates that Gary Roberts is the person to support. Thanks again.